Hi, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's continue our previous session after introduction part of the perimeter and area. From your textbook today we are going to do the mental maths. Okay.
Okay.
Let's get started. Um, Before doing that, we will recollect the main formulas. So of the different shapes, triangle perimeter is a sum of all its sides, a plus b plus c, and equilateral. If it is an equilateral triangle, each and every side is the same. If you have taken each side is s, then s plus s plus s. Since triangle is having three sides, it is a 3s. Like in the same way, square all the sides are equal, so 4s. And perimeter of a rectangle is, there are two lengths and two breadths, 2 times of L plus B. And the circle is 2 pi r, where pi value is 22 over 7. Now we'll do mental maths from your textbook. First one, a bit. A square, if its side is 5 centimeter. So square 5 centimeters. So all the sides are equal in the square. So perimeter of a square is equal to 4s. Each side is here 5 centimeters. So 4 times of 5 centimeter. 4 5s are 20 centimeters. Next, B bit. A rectangle in meters, if its length and breadth are 800 centimeter and 200 centimeter respectively. So a rectangle in meters you need to find out. It's a rectangle. They have a given 800 centimeters and 200 centimeters. So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 times of L plus B. Write formula for each and every question, then substitute. 2 times of L is 800 plus breadth is 200, which is nothing but 2 times of 800 plus 200 is 1000. 2 times of 1000 is 2000. 2000 centimeters. But they asked here perimeter given meters. We know 1 centimeter is equal to 1 over 100th meter. Because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So if you want to convert the centimeter into meter, then divide with the 100. So let's divide with the 100, 2000 divided by 100, where two zeros cancel. So it's nothing but 20 meters. Okay, Pranit?
Okay.
Okay. Next, coming to the next question. C bit. A regular octagon, if its side is 7 meters long. Do you know octagon has how many sides?
8 sides.
Octagon has 8 sides. Very good. So each side is here 7 meters long. So perimeter of an octagon is 8s. 8 sides, so 8s. Sum of all the sides. So 8 times 7. So it is 56 meters. Next. D. An equilateral triangle with a side, is it 4.3?
Yes,
Yes.
it's 4.3 centimeters.
Okay. It's an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. So they gave each side is 4.3 centimeters. You need to find out the perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is sum of all its sides. So this is also 4.3, this is also 4.3, this is also 4.3. So 3 sides it is having 3 times s. So 3 into 4.3. 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. And the decimal is placed, point is placed after one decimal. So leave one decimal and put a point here. And this is in centimeters. So give your answer also in centimeters. Yeah. Next question is a regular nanogon with side 2.1 centimeter. Nano means 9. So number of sides in a nanogon is 9 sides. A bit. Number of sides is 9 and each side is given as 2.1 centimeter. So perimeter of a nanogon is, what is the formula? If number of sides are 9, then what is the formula for nanogon?
9s.
Yes, 9s. Regular polygon means all the sides are same. So 9 times 2.1. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18. And a point is placed after one decimal place. So leave one decimal place and put a point here. So centimeters. Yes, next one. F bit. A regular decagon with a side 4.5 centimeters. Decagon has how many sides?
7 sides.
Decagon has 10 sides.
Okay.
7 sides is called heptagon. Okay, 10 sides. So each side is given as 4.5 centimeter. We will convert this. This is a mixed fraction. Let's convert into improper fraction. So 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1. Multiply these two and add. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 over 2 centimeters. Now perimeter is equal to 10 sides. So the formula is 10s. So 10 times of side is 9 by 2. 2 goes in the 10 how many times?
Excuse me?
Yeah, 2 goes how many times in the 10? 2 ones are? Yeah, 2 fives are. 2 fives are 10. Let's multiply numerators. 5 nines are 45 centimeters. Next, going to the G bit. A regular hexagon with side 0.01 meters. It's a hexagon. Hexagon has how many sides?
6 sides.
Yes, 6 sides it is. So they have a given each side is 0.01, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 0.01 meters. So perimeter of a hexagon is 6s. 6 times s. 6 into each side is 0.01. 0.01. 6 ones are 6. 6 zeros are 0. 6 zeros are 0. Here after the point we have 2 decimal places. So leave 2 decimal places 1, 2 and put here point. So this is centimeters. Sorry, meters. Since they have a given in the question these are meters, so let's write meters only. Next, after G, H bit. A circle with the diameter 14 centimeter. a circle given diameter is 14 centimeter. Do you remember circumference of the circle? Means
Yes.
perimeter of a circle? Yes.
2 pi r.
Yeah. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Here they have a given diameter, but in our formula we have radius. And also we have another formula. Let's put it in the board also. That is nothing but pi d. Pi d is another formula. Why pi d? Because diameter is equal to 2 times of radius, isn't it?
Okay.
This is the diameter. This is your center. So from center to any part of the circle is radius. From center to any part of the circle is radius. So r plus r gives you 2r, which is called from here to here it is a diameter. Yes? D is equal to 2r. So now instead of 2 and r, you can put a d. Instead of 2 and r, you can write d and pi value pi. What it's mean? Whenever they have a given diameter, if you want to find out the circumference in terms of the diameter, use the formula d pi. If radius has given, then you can consider the formula 2 pi r. So it depends upon the question, you have to take the formula. No need of converting into the radius and substituting here. Okay?
Okay.
So D is here 14. And what is the pi value, constant value? It's a 22 by 7. 22 by 7. It's a fraction. Otherwise, decimal also there, but it is not used in the 7th grade now. So 7 goes in a 14 two times. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. 22 twos are 44. And it is in centimeters, so your circumference also in centimeters. Right?
Yes.
Next, I bit. A parallelogram with adjacent sides 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Yeah, this is a parallelogram where it is having this and this are parallel sides. This and this are parallel sides. Yeah. So in this, they have a given adjacent sides, means side by side. If you have taken this side and the other side is this adjacent side. Okay. So this is a 6 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. Okay. So now you want to find out the perimeter of a parallelogram. It doesn't require any formula. See, if this is 8, this is also 8. If this is a 6, this is also 6. So sum of all the sides of this parallelogram gives us perimeter. So let's add all 4 sides. 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6. Okay. 2 8s are 16 and 2 6s are 12. 16 plus 12. 28. Yeah. So the perimeter is 28 centimeter. Next one. I done. Now J, it's the last. A rectangle with a dimension 30 centimeter and 18 centimeter, 30 and 18, and it is a rectangle. What is the perimeter? So rectangle given 30 centimeter and 18 centimeter. Do you remember the perimeter of a rectangle formula?
2 of L plus B.
Good. 2 times of L plus B. What is L here?
Length,
So how much is given?
30 centimeters.
Plus breadth?
18 centimeters.
Okay. First to solve the brackets. According to the board mass, we should solve brackets. So 30 plus 18 is how much?
48.
48. Nothing is there means it's a into. If bracket or nothing is mentioned, it is nothing but a product. So 2 8s are 16, 1 is a carry. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. 96 centimeter. Okay?
Okay.
So, bye Praneeth.